Welcome back to the classroom. In today's video, we're ranking the top 5 computer brands by repairability. So whether you're trying a DIY repair, sending your computer in for professional service, or reaching out to a brand's tech support, these factors can make or break your repair experience. So let's get to it. All right, before we get to the rankings, let's break down the criteria that we use to determine the rankings. 1. DIY repairability. How easy is it to perform the repairs yourself? 2. Repair parts availability. Can you easily find the new or refurbished repair components needed? 3. Professional repairs. Do the brands have their own professional techs available for repairs? 4. In warranty versus out of warranty repairs. How do repair policies and costs change after your warranty expires? 5. Tech support. How helpful and accessible is the brand's customer service? We've used our expanded experience with each brand over the last 20 years in our computer repair shops to come up with the criteria rankings. We'll use a 1-star to 5-star ranking for each category, 1 being poor and 5 being excellent. Another thing to mention here is that we're just going to lump all device types under the same repairability ranking, meaning we'll lump laptops and desktops for each brand together. Yes, desktops are generally easier to repair versus laptops. And yes, some brands have better laptops versus their desktops. But today we'll just lump them together for these rankings. So let's get into the rankings. Again, these are based on our experience with repairability, parts availability, warranty repairs, and general tech support performance. Coming in at number 5 with 3 stars, Acer. Acer is traditionally infamous for its DIY repair challenges, but their tech support and in-warranty services are decent in our experience. Some of the key points for Acer would be DIY repairs. Acer laptops have moderate repairability. Some models are easier to service than others. Most of their newer laptops have a lot of soldered or glued parts. Obviously, that makes DIY repairs risky, and a lot of times the repair costs exceed the value. 3 stars. Repair parts availability. Parts availability is average. Certain Acer-specific components may be harder to find, especially newer parts. 3 stars. Professional repairs. Professional repair services are accessible, but may not be as extensive as competitors. Third-party remote services, limited on-site repairs, and mail-in services are offered. 3 stars. In warranty versus out-of-warranty support. Warranty services are adequate. Out-of-warranty repairs can be more frustrating as you'll be waiting a while for return. 3 stars. Tech support. Tech support is improving, offering better assistance than in previous years. 3 stars. Acer ultimately offers a lower-end, affordable device that a lot of times won't be repaired professionally without a bit of a hassle. Next, coming in at number 4 with 3.5 stars is Asus. Asus is known for its budget-friendly devices, but the brand's repairability and tech support have been found to be inconsistent. However, it is getting better of late, especially with their gaming products line. Some of the key points for Asus. DIY repairs. Some models of Asus laptops are easy to disassemble, enhancing their general repairability. Their higher-end gaming laptops are pretty straightforward in disassembly. 4 stars. Parts availability. Repair parts are mostly available. Some of their lower-end laptops, parts are hit or miss when in need. A lot of times, you'll only find the parts from overseas. 4 stars. Professional repairs. Professional remote, mail-in, and on-site repair services are available but may vary by region. 3 stars. In-warranty support versus out-of-warranty. Warranty services are pretty standard. Out-of-warranty repairs can be more complex, but they generally work out. 3 stars. Tech support. Tech support is generally helpful, though availability and responsiveness can vary. The support reps I've dealt with for their component replacements have always been wonderful. 3 stars. Asus, great for gamers. Their gaming line is great and their component line is wonderful, but their customer support could use some improvements in consistency. Our experiences dealing with support for PCs versus components was very different in their support approach. Coming in at number 3 is Lenovo, 3.8 stars. Lenovo offers some of the most repairable business laptops, desktops, and servers out there, but their consumer models can be hit or miss when it comes to ease of repair due to repair parts availability and design. Some of the key points for Lenovo. DIY repairs. Lenovo's ThinkPad series is known for great repairability. Their other consumer models vary, but are generally accessible to repair. 3 stars. Parts availability. Parts for business models are readily available. Consumer models may have limited new options. 4 stars. Professional repairs. Professional repair services are accessible, especially for business lines. Remote, on-site, and mail-in options are offered. 4 stars. In-warranty support versus out-of-warranty. Warranty services are dependable. Out-of-warranty repairs are available, but may be pricier and take a while. 4 stars. Tech support. Tech support has improved, providing helpful assistance with minimal issues in recent years. 10 to 12 years ago, their support service was awful, so it has definitely gotten better. 3 stars. Lenovo is a solid choice for businesses and IT professionals who need reliable tech support, availability to repair parts, and ease of repairability. Coming in at number 2 with 4 stars is HP. Especially for users who rely on warranty repairs, strong customer support, and readily available repair parts. Some of the key points for HP are DIY repairs. HP laptops vary in repairability. Business models are generally more accessible. Some of their newer, sleeker models are more challenging for DIYers. Overall, there is a good amount of repair resources available. 4 stars. Parts availability. Spare parts are widely available, facilitating accurate and timely repairs. 4 stars. Professional repairs. HP provides comprehensive professional repair services. On-site, remote and mail-in services are available. 4 stars. In-warranty support versus out-of-warranty. Repair services are fairly quick and reliable. Out-of-warranty repairs are available but can be costly. 4 stars. Tech support. Tech support is generally effective, offering proper solutions more often than not. 4 stars. Overall, HP offers good accessibility to DIY repairs. If you're not into DIY repairs, HP's tech support and professional repair is a great fallback option for their devices. However, I will chime in off topic here and say that I am not a fan of their printer line over the last few years. I think HP has pulled some shady things on consumers with their instant ink program and really damaged my willingness to recommend their printers to customers and clients. Okay, rant over. And lastly, coming in at number 1 with 4.5 stars is Dell. Dell earns the top spot, and for a very good reason. Their laptops and desktops are designed with repairability in mind. Also, there is so much repair info available from Dell and via third parties, and their tech support is consistently rated among the best in the industry. Some of the key points for Dell are DIY repairs. Dell's device designs generally facilitate easier disassembly and repair, especially in business models. There's also a ton of repair info online from valid sources. 5 stars. Parts availability. Repair parts availability is great, especially on popular models. Pricing is pretty decent on most parts. 5 stars. Professional repairs. Dell offers extensive professional repair services, including on-site options, remote and mail-in services. 4 stars. In-warranty support versus out-of-warranty. Both in-warranty and out-of-warranty services are quick and reliable, though cost can increase post-warranty. 4 stars. Tech support. Dell's tech support is responsive and fairly knowledgeable, providing effective assistance. Warranty support is great and generally low fuss. 4 stars. Again, I've said this for years. You can love them or hate them, but Dell's support and warranties far outweigh the others. Over the last 20 years, time and time again, our Dell repairs go smoothly, promptly, and affordably for our customers. So whether you're a DIYer or need professional repair help, Dell makes repairs accessible and attainable. All right, let's recap our opinion on how the brands stack up. Dell, best overall for DIY repairs, professional service, and tech support. HP, great for professional repairs with strong in-warranty support. Lenovo, perfect for business users, especially with their ThinkPad models. Asus, decent in-warranty support, but repairs can be costly out of warranty. Acer, affordable, but support and repairability will vary by model. So, before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for repairing your computer. Check warranty status. Always see if your device is still covered under warranty before attempting any repairs. Sometimes DIY repair attempts can void warranties, so contact the manufacturer for hardware repairs to see if they're covered. Use OEM or trusted parts. Whenever possible, buy original or high-quality refurbished parts. Some brands can make this difficult, so be mindful when seeking repair parts. Consult DIY repair guides. Websites like iFixit provide excellent step-by-step tutorials for many brands. Obviously, YouTube is a wonderful resource as well. And there you have it, our rankings of the top computer brands by repairability. What's your repair experience with these brands been like? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Otherwise, we'll see you next time in the classroom. Bye-bye, everybody.